Hello and welcome to the 300th video from OORL. So I'd like to do a quick thank you to all our subscribers. I know we have well over 2,000 at this point, so that's pretty amazing, especially since I'm just a guy here running some British locomotives in America. So I really appreciate all the subscribers and all the support you guys give us and all the comments and stuff that you guys take the time to do. So I'm really glad that many of you have found the channel useful and have gotten into the hobby because of it, or have fixed locos or gotten things working because of some of the videos that we've done. So there's plenty more videos to come, so we're going to try to do a lot more regular videos going forward, but it's been not too bad for the last couple of years. So what we're going to do today is you're going to get to see the new block sections in operation. So you should see on this line here that currently has the K1 on it. You should see multiple locos running on that, and what it is, it's actually 6 block sections powered by 3 DC controllers, and I'll do a video on that in a couple of days. Running on the other line we have the blue Pullman, and that's connected to a standard H&M DC controller, and that's our switchable DC-DCC line. So without further ado, I'm going to throw on some music. Once again, say thank you to all our subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, don't forget that you should have the notifications turned on if you want to get notified of our videos when they come out. So without further ado, let's get this show on the road.